Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something that's very special to me and I've been working hard on for the last couple of years. So stay tuned and I'll show you what that is. So some of you may know that I am an artist. I have watercolor and acrylic artwork that I do. And since I've been in here in this apartment, I don't have a dedicated studio anymore, so I've transitioned over into digital artwork, more instant downloads, digital downloads, printables. And one of the things that I've been working on the last couple of years is my website. Building an online shop on that, but also building a blog to talk about my artwork, talk about getting started as an artist, doing some tutorials on art journaling, and that's something that I'm really proud of, that website. And I am putting more and more things on there for my plants, doing more blog posts regarding my plants to try and marry the two together as far as my YouTube channel and my website and my blog. So I'm going to take you on just a little quick tour of my website and my blog and show you what's on there and tell you about some things that you may want to take advantage of when you join up for my newsletter. So stay tuned for that. My website is carmenwhitehead.com, just my name. There I have many blog posts on art journaling, tutorials on art journaling, business resources for artists, but I've also started adding gardening and home decor to it also. So you can see a lot of plant information that I've started adding there. But I also wanted to show you something I'm very proud of is the store that I've added, and there you will find all my digital downloads, instant downloads. And I have 100 there that you can choose from. Everything from seasonal printables, nursery printables, wedding printables, just about anything for every decor. I do switch it up for the season. Right now I have my fall and autumn decor there. So there's lots to choose from. I try to add different ones every year, a new collection every year. And when I take a picture of them, I try to post it with in a frame where you can see how it would look in your home. Each of them is $5 each, unless there's more in a collection. For instance, if there's 3 in a collection, like these 3 succulents in this collection, then it would be $10. Some of the wedding printables are $12 because there's 4 in that collection. So there's something for everyone. You can see how they look in a frame. It's super easy to do as far as simply purchasing it, downloading the file, printing it out on your printer or taking it to a printer, and then putting it in a frame and up in your home. So very easy to do for just about very little money. This is one of my most popular designs. It's my first cafecito. Every good Cuban starts their morning with some cafecito. So that is definitely one of my most popular ones. So that is there on my website under the tab of store. I have other tabs of home decor, gardening, and then my about tab where you can get a little bit more information on me and my cancer journey, my little puppy Rosie there. And you're also given an opportunity to sign up for my Friends and Collectors list. That is the name of my newsletter. And when you sign up for my Friends and Collectors list, you do get on every single month, you get a downloadable desktop calendar. You can see the September one there, and also a sample of the recent one right now, the October one. You would get the desktop one and the mobile calendar, but you also get a 15% coupon that you can use on my website towards your printables. So there's lots that you get with just simply signing up for my newsletter, but I also keep you up to date on things that I'm up to. So I hope you enjoyed that little tour of my website. Remember, when you sign up for the newsletter, you do get automatically sent to you a downloadable desktop calendar. for your computer, and one is also available for your mobile phone too. And that's something that I send out every single month. I have been for the last couple of years to my subscribers, to my friends and collectors newsletter. So you get that, and then also you get that 50% off coupon code that you can use for any digital download from my shop. So make sure you take advantage of those two things, okay? Thanks so much, friends. I so appreciate your visiting with me today. If you enjoyed this video and learning a little bit more about me and what I'm all about, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, and definitely hit that notification bell, because that way you're assured to get my notices when I do put a new video out. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day.